Sawadika, good afternoon. Good afternoon from the south of Thailand. Actually, it's more like a central and south. In this province called Hua Hin. And actually behind me, we're right on the beach, we're up on the hill. And you can really see a beautiful beach. But you cannot see the ocean, the beach from here, because we are in this Chinese temple. And this is like a sala, a pavilion. And you can see 8 immortals, you can see the 3 pure ones. So we are very lucky to find this spot to do our, the 5th sound, which is the sound for the summer. And it's my favorite sound, and it's a sound that most people can feel. We have some monkeys here, so I have to watch out they're not coming in to annoy me. So the sound for the summer, or the organ for the summer, is the heart. So see if we can activate my heart's energy while this monkey is like, this monkey is, I mean, they bite, you know, but he's pretty tame for the moment. So the heart is the organ for the summer. So when we take care of our heart, or when we do the practice to nourish our heart, in the summer season, it has the most effect. So it's most effective because it's the right season for the right organ. And the heart, almost everyone can feel it because it's an organ that produces love. Love, joy, and happiness, they all come from the heart. Now, let's find where the heart is. So now we have sternum. We go down the sternum until we go to the tip of the sternum, which is the soft bone. And we come up just a little bit. That's the center of the heart, the energy center of the heart. So sometimes when we work on the heart, we use this middle of the chest. And then on the left side, that is the physical heart. So most people can feel the heart on the left side. So now let's learn to feel the heart and learn to do the heart sound. So the heart sound is, when you spell it, it's H-A-W. It is a very, very soothing sound, and it softens the heart, and it takes away the heat from the heart. So let's touch somewhere here to connect to the heart and do the heart sound. Just do the sound, and we bend a little bit to release the heat from the heart. So it goes like, let's do this 3 times. You see, just to make this sound, your heart feels good already. It cools your heart and gives you patience. Now, we want to release all the negative emotions in the heart. And of course, you know, the negative emotions in the heart are the opposite of the positive ones. The main one is hatred. Hatred, arrogance, impatience. So you want to look into these negative emotions and release it with the heart sound, with the hand gesture. At the end, we put in the positive emotions, which are love, joy, happiness, and patience. Okay, now, the gesture for the heart sound is the same as the liver. So we interlock our finger and we turn. So The liver is on the right side, so we turn to the left to open the meridian on the right side, so we turn to the left, so that's the liver. Now the heart is more to the left. So when we do this, the same exact position, we turn to the right to open the heart meridian on the right. And the heart meridian goes all the way to the pinky finger. So that's something that you should know. Okay, now let's do the practice. We go direct into practice. So let's get in touch with our heart. You can close your eyes and smile to the heart. And breathe into the heart until you feel good. Until you feel love, joy, and happiness. When you feel good, when you can feel love, then is when you can go deep into the heart to look for the negative emotions. Now you want to look for hatred, arrogance, impatience. And you spiral out of the heart. And when we do the heart sound, when we do the sound, we always keep our eyes open. So we inhale. Turn to the right, opening the left, do the heart sound. Now release the arms. And let go of your hatred, your impatience, or any negative energy or negative emotions in the heart. Release them down into the earth. Now we connect to the heart again. When you connect to the heart, you can keep your eyes open. You can feel the heart better. Or you can keep your eyes open, doesn't matter. And then breathe into the heart. Now look again. Look for the hatred, impatience, arrogance. Now we gather that and we do the heart sound. Keep your eyes open when you do the sound. And release all the negative emotions in the heart. Sometimes the heart has other emotions that are negative too. Release everything down into the earth. The more you can release, the more you can take in. So we want to release negative emotions to make room for the positive emotions. One last time, you connect to the heart. Sometimes you want to look at the real emotion or emotions behind the hatred or behind that impatience. You don't really have to analyze it. Whenever you find negative emotions, take it out. Take it out from your heart. One last time, inhale. Turn to the right, open the left. Really sink the sound into the heart. Send that vibration of the sound into the heart. Release all the negative energy in your heart. Now, the last time we used the palms to gather red light, the element of fire. Then we bring that into the heart. Balancing the fire in your heart. And see the heart shining in beautiful red light. Now you can see that the positive emotions in the heart, they're always there, and now we can grow them back. They're love, joy, happiness, patience, honor, respect. Feel them in your heart. Feel that these positive emotions, and sometimes we call it the virtues, are taking the space in your heart. And feel so good in your heart. Okay, so thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again when we do the sixth sound for the next season.